my name is Madison Ellis. Today I'll be talking to you about the total solar eclipse that will be taking place on August 21st, 2017. The first ever recorded total solar eclipse happened in 1375 BCE. On August 21st, 2017, we will be able to see the total solar eclipse happening in various places in the United States. For a certain amount of time, we will be able to see the total solar eclipse, which is the outline of the moon with the light ring of the sun in the background. As shown in this picture, we can see that the moon has to lie in between the sun and the earth for a total solar eclipse to happen. These have to happen often, but doesn't show a visual throughout all the United States very often. Solar eclipses have been taking place for as long as we have been able to record them. Let's learn about what to expect on August 21st, 2017. What is a total solar eclipse? According to Merriam-Webster, the definition of a total solar eclipse is the eclipse that happens when the sun is directly behind the moon and the earth. According to this diagram, there are three different types of eclipses: annular eclipse, total eclipse, and partial eclipse. A partial eclipse occurs when the moon covers only part of the sun. An annular eclipse happens when the edge of the sun remains visible as a bright ring around the moon. And a total eclipse is when the moon, sun, and earth are all directly in one line. So why does a solar eclipse happen? It happens when all of the three planets are lined up perfectly. It also only happens every 18 months in various parts of Earth, but doesn't always hit the United States. What needs to happen for a solar eclipse to happen? The moon needs to be directly behind the sun in order to block the sunlight, and it all needs to be in a straight line. Let's take a look at the history of solar eclipses. As stated before, the earliest solar eclipse happened in 1375 BCE. The last seen solar eclipse in the United States was on February 26, 1979. Other eclipses have happened between 1979 and 2017, but they haven't all been able to be seen through the United States. They've been taking place in other countries on Earth. Since they've only been taking places in different places on Earth, we only see a solar eclipse in our hometown about every 300 years, according to Explorium.com. Different countries have found records of solar eclipses happening since 1375 BCE to 2017. In 1999, Paul Griffin investigated a monument in Ireland and discovered that the spiral shape of the monument corresponded to a solar eclipse which occurred on November 30th, 3340 BCE, according to NASA. In China, a solar eclipse are known as heavenly signs that are foretold the future of the emperor. They would take notes and describe the eclipses. For example, they described an eclipse as the sun has been eaten. So where is the best place to see the solar eclipse on the United States? That would be in Hopkinsville, Kentucky for the August 21st, 2017 solar eclipse. Let's take a look at the map that I created. You will be able to see the total solar eclipse in Salem, Oregon, Idaho Falls, Idaho, Casper, Wyoming, Lincoln, Nebraska, Sabetha, Kansas, Jefferson City, Missouri, Carbondale, Illinois, Nashville, Tennessee, Tallulah Falls, Georgia, Columbia, South Carolina, and Charleston, South Carolina. So when is the next time there will be a solar eclipse? The next projected solar eclipse will be happening on July 2nd, 2019. It won't be in the United States, but it will be somewhere else on planet Earth. So how do we calculate this? We calculate the motion of the moon's shadow on a plane that crosses the Earth's center, found on Astronomy Stack Exchange. As written down here, the calculation starts with finding y. Then, once you have y, you'll find t. And once you find t, you'll plug t into the long equation up here to find the next solar eclipse. Now that most of us know more information on solar eclipses, we can be more prepared on what to expect on August 21st, 2017. For many people, they've been waiting for this day for many years. For others, we don't even know what to expect. So we should all know now what a solar eclipse is, where to be during the next solar eclipse, the history of solar eclipses, when the next solar eclipse will be happening. Through the diagrams that I have showed you today, I hope you know more about solar eclipses and are ready to experience the stunning visual effect that will be happening on August 21st, 2017. Thank you.